Next topic is typecasting. In all programming languages, at some point of time, we need to convert the values from one data type to another data type. This process of conversion is called as typecasting. Sometimes it is also called as type conversion and simply as casting. In Python, there are two types of casting. One is implicit casting and other one is explicit casting. Implicit casting means in some occasions, Python automatically converts one data type to another data type. That is, conversion is done internally. This conversion is named as implicit type conversion or implicit casting. Let us see an example of this in coding window. In this example, we are going to convert integer data type to float data type. Let's see what happens. As we know that there is no need to declare a variable in Python, straight away I am assigning a value to a variable. I am assigning the value 5 to x and 3.6 to y. On seeing the assigned value, Python automatically detects that the variable x is going to hold integer data type and variable y is going to hold a float data type. Let us add these values. After printing, let us also know the type of that res. See in the bottom, the value 5 and 3.6 are added. We have given two different data types. Python automatically converts it internally. So this type of conversion is called as implicit type conversion. Now let us try another example, but now we are going to add string and integer. Let me assign the value 18 to the variable x, which is integer data type, and to the variable y I am going to assign a string value which is 72. We know that when a value is given inside the quotes, it is string data type only. Let us add it. Here you can see type error showing that unsupported operand type for plus, int and string. Here the conversion cannot be done internally. Python is not able to use implicit conversion here. In such conditions, the solution to solve this is explicit conversion. Explicit casting. Here the user converts from one data type to another data type using some built-in functions. The syntax to convert it is, first you have to mention the required data type to which you want to convert it to, followed by the expression to be converted. The built-in functions used to perform this task is int, float and string. Int function converts the float data type and string data type to integer, whereas float converts the data type of string and integer to float. String function also converts integer data type and float data type to string. Let us modify the same program. Int, float and string is used to convert from one data type to another. We have to convert this string to integer. The built-in function used to convert string to integer is int_of, and we know that the syntax is you have to mention the data type to which you want to convert it to, and within bracket you have to give the expression. Here the expression is 72. So let me give this expression inside the int function. The value is added. Here string is converted to integer so that the data type is int. Let me show you some more examples in this conversion. Casting to integer. This is integer, this is float and this is string. You can see all the values are converted to integer now. Check the data type of all these using the type of function. Next example is casting to float. All the values are appended with a decimal value. Now casting to string. Casting to string. Here int and float are converted to string data type using the str function. Here is the key points to remember in typecasting. Python avoids loss of data in implicit type conversion. Loss of data may occur when we are forcing to convert one data type to another data type. When a float value is casted to integer, it's rounded off to the whole number. Similarly, when an integer value is casted to float value, it is appended with fractional part, that is containing zeros.